Yeah, what was that over there? Let's see what you did again.
This is Harley's.
How much looseness is in there?
There's play.
Good 5 thou at least. Okay, what's the diameter of that? Measure the hole too.
It's like
995. Measure the hole.
997.
So you got
Maybe.
2 thou there, but the caliper can be off by 2. So we know we got at least 4 or 5 up there. Okay, now we got over here. Looks like there's a dent on it. 998, 997. And then we're what side was Harley? 2 thou difference. This has a little impact mark. See the mark here?
Yep.
Okay, you got a fine file?
Yep.
We're literally a couple thou of the problem here. It looks like this has been hit a little bit hard here. Probably when you jammed it up there real hard, it hit it. Would be my guess. Want me to hit that, or you want to do it?
I hope this.
You got the camera?
Yep.
Get back over here. Let me go ahead and get right out of the way so I can drop it on the floor again. Move the cord over here. Okay, so. A little bit of a hard spot there. See these little high spots everywhere
Yep.
in here. Another one there. I'm gonna put a little chamfer on to make it a little easier to start. Okay. See, we were at 997 you got before? Should be the same, but won't be a high spot now. 997, 998, depending on where you're at. Right up here on the very tip. One inch even. 102, 1 inch even. What's it down there?
998.
So you got a little bit of a taper on this thing too, which makes it
The
hard.
wrong way.
Where's 0 right there? It's real dark.
Yep, 100.
Okay, and we don't have 100 up there. We have 97, 98 up there, right?
Yeah.
So it's got chrome builds up in here probably. When they chromed it,
Yep.
chrome always builds up on the edges. That's probably what happened. So I'm gonna go ahead and file this down and get a little. Now I know I got to take some metal off. I'm gonna push it a little harder. We're gonna take this down a little bit more. As long as you keep a nice radius going, you won't hurt the diameter too much. Not that this really matters because it's just
Right.
foam.
Basically a placeholder, right?
Yeah, obviously you want a bunch of flat spots on it, obviously. I go and cut off. We'll be back.
I
I got my own shoes right here. So he's getting cold. He's putting his
They're
clothes
so
on.
big.
I'm still naked. Got my feet on. I only got a shirt on. Being a pussy. All right. So after a little bit of filing, this now fits on there like it's supposed to. I can't see if that's filmed correctly, but I'm doing something over there.
There we go. Yep.
Good deal. Now you make sure all this crap's over here where it belongs. Did you pick up the bumper that went on the floor?
Where'd she roll to?
I don't know. I know I have one right here that I can steal from the other side.
Oh, it's over there on the bench.
It's a good place for it.
Okay.
I didn't know what this was anyway. It's going over here now.
Don't think it matters.
Step down a little bit. Okay. Lift up the handlebar slightly. Wiggle around something. Doesn't like us.
This is fighting. Let's give me 1 second.
Everything's fighting us today. Ah.
A little bit.
Now get over here. Now let's go on with it.
There we go.
Twisting me off.
There we go.
It's just being a pain. And that one I do on it.
Yeah, this one has to go up.
Okay, good. Grab my big fancy pliers there to tighten it down a little bit. It still goes up like it's supposed to. Okay. That's good for now. Okay, let's put this other one together.
That's what I'm explaining to you about these things. If you have them adjusted properly, when you're leaning, if you're tightening with this, right, it's actually pushing force down to close it, so you don't have to squeeze it.
I know, but mine
You
wasn't
understand what I'm
doing
saying?
that. The other one I wasn't doing it. Wouldn't hold the pressure for some reason. They said that they all didn't do that, so it's just a matter how they made them. I mean, we don't need to tighten that all the way until we get everything together, so just
Right.
leave it there for now. It was tight enough.